Well, it's the 17th day of the war, and both sides have now been sharing exactly when it comes to the retaliation and the attacks and the defense that is now being carried out with the state-of-the-art weapons and the arsenal that they now seem to be showcasing as far as the military might is now concerned. On your screens, a video that has been released by the Central Command of the US military. And this is the latest one that has now been dropped, sending across a message about the phase of the war that it has now completed 2 weeks. So on your screens, this is the B-1B Lancers. Now, these are said to be capable of carrying a payload of about 75,000 pounds that have operated over the Middle East in support of the Operation Epic Fury. It has been nicknamed as Bone, which is B-1Bs that actually hold world records for speed and also for payload and range. Now, the bomber buildup is linked to Operation Epic Fury, and this is a major US-led effort when it comes to targeting Iran's missile infrastructure and also the military sites. The B-1B Lancer is a long-range strategic bomber which is capable of carrying large conventional payloads. Let's take a look at this video.